Hell yeah.
Yo, real quick, I ain't even gonna hold y'all here too much longer, right? If you're not subscribed, subscribe, like, dislike, hit the buttons, all that good stuff, right? Sure. So what I'm gonna do just real quick, cause StyleCraft sent me something new. So this is gonna be a quick unboxing and just my first few thoughts after using it. I've only had it for 2 days, all right? So they sent me StyleCraft magnetic Mythic. This is the clipper. This is the clipper here. All right. Comes with our double magnetic guards, which reminds me, when I was doing the XErgo, I was talking about the double magnetic guards as I didn't like them as much. I actually think it was just that set. I didn't like the paint chipping off of the silver and all that good stuff, but these come with the black. This here, the Mythic, which is not technically out yet, it comes with the black double magnetic guards, the original set. They work great. They go amazing with this blade that they have on it. So just a quick unboxing, just a quick few thoughts. Come, like I said, magnetic guards, come with the charger, the trusty Gamma screwdriver, StyleCraft screwdriver, come with your little warranty pamphlet, and it also comes with a charging dock. Can't go wrong there. And it comes with only one changing faceplate, which is the clear, and I guess that's for you to be able to see the modular, that new little their motor, like on the XErgos that you see on the inside here, which I posted these on my Instagram and on my shorts. You know, YouTube got the shorts now. And a lot of people are saying they order just the XErgo in a different body. And technically, yes, few differences. This is their StyleCraft Fusion blade or whatever, right? Let's get to this, just the design of it. See the grip plate here. Nothing too much. It do got the click lever. This click lever, or this lever, is more like a, it's like water. You get what I'm saying? Like most click levers are this, or not click lever, but most levers on the clippers are just that. They got like a little, you know, thumb. You know, it's a little wider. It's easy to get to, right? And it is a longer clipper. Now, shout out to Tank Be Chopping. If y'all don't follow him, make sure y'all follow Tank Be Chopping, subscribe to his channel. But I was talking to him on Instagram, and he was talking about how it's hard to reach the lever when you cut. And I'm not gonna give you everything he told me, because he's pretty sure gonna release a video about it, so y'all watch him. But when you hold it like this, when you cutting, right? If you, especially me, I have short fingers, right? So reaching up there, like while you clicking, you know, while you fading and stuff, it is gonna be hard to reach. But I kind of hold my clippers here when I'm cutting. I don't really hold them down here for the most part. I'm just here fading. So I'm usually getting, it might be because I have smaller fingers. So when I'm using clippers, I have to find that right area to be able to go between. Anyway, I'm gonna just run down a few things that this have to it. Now, here's the first big difference between the Mythic and the XErgo. This gives you an extra hour of runtime. Boom, right there we at 3 hours of runtime. Can't be mad at that. Got the performance microchip, loud noise, blah blah. Double magnetic, high speed magnetic motor, 10,000 RPM. You know, the normal. This does come with the stretch bracket. I still have not used the stretch bracket. Like I always tell you, when I use my clippers to do my reviews and stuff, I like to just use them as they come. Sometimes I do switch things out, but for the most part, if I like the clipper as it is, I'm just gonna use it as it is. This is the packaging. Everybody knows the Gamma packaging, StyleCraft packaging. See, it lets you see how you can put that. It comes in all black here. Of course, you can put that clear case on it to get that see-through effect as the XErgos. So on here, Get you a 3 hours of runtime with 2 hours to charge. That's pretty much everything that's on the box. I've read everything else. So either way, after using it, this is just a quick, I'm gonna drop another full review sometime later. Give me some time to actually put it to work. But I just want to give you my first initial thoughts on this. First off, this cuts better through like bulk and things of that nature than the XErgo. So I was praising the XErgo for cutting through bulk better than the original Ergo. This one here though, this Mythic, this all black monster right here, cuts through bulk a little bit better. This blade, very smooth. It's got that oil on it. Very smooth. Like I said, it's that StyleCraft Fusion blade. It is a fade blade, as you can see. Very thin. I like the thin fade blades. This comes already, if y'all can y'all see that? Anyway, it comes already set pretty good. I didn't mess with anything. Nothing going on. We're gonna turn them on. Not too bad. Very quiet compared to the Ergos, the XErgos, a tad bit louder. Mythic, XErgo. All right, so as you can hear, now this is not a comparison video. I just wanted to show you the difference in the sound versus the XErgo, because a lot of people in the comments on my Instagram or on my YouTube, they've been saying that these are just a XErgos in a different body. Yes and no. I mean, they're clippers and they are working with this new motor, the modular motor that they doing the magnetic, but there is a few things different. Give you longer runtime. That's my main thing, right? Get you 3 hours of runtime with this. I'm not gonna go detail for detail just yet. Like I said, we're gonna do a whole new, a full review. I just wanted to give my initial thoughts. Cut great through bulk so far, because as you know, when you get a clipper, the first few days of using a clipper is always just like, oh, this is great. You know, it's amazing sometimes, for the most part, all right? But I liked that this was, so I just wanted to, hey, I did a unboxing, blah, blah. So this is my unboxing video, technically, right? But I like the way this is a wider, it doesn't change anything. I just like when you cut and then you got your thumb on there, it's a little wider pad. It is kind of long. I mean, it's pretty much like the XErgo. It's not too long compared to any other clippers. The only problem I have with this so far is it is heavy. So think of a master, all right? Think of the Cordless masters, not the original masters, but just think of a master. This has a little bit of weight to it compared to using a very lightweight magic clip. You get what I'm saying? It has some weight to it. Lasts much longer than a magic clip. As y'all know, magic clips are my favorite clipper, but they only give you 90 minutes of runtime. This here gives you 3 hours, 2 hours to charge, cuts through anything, very smooth, very powerful. This is the Mythic from StyleCraft. Y'all can't even see that the writing on there, it says Mythic in black. There we go. Hit it just right. Mythic from StyleCraft. We'll have a full detailed review after I use it for another week or two. But as of right now, I do not know when these drop. I will leave the link down below to their website and to their Instagram so you can keep up and make sure that you, I think as of now, when this video drop, which will be on Monday, which is the 25th, 26th, this video will drop. And I think they're dropping either later this week or next week, all right? But follow their Instagram. They'll keep you updated. When you do order, whether you're ordering the Mythics, or you ordering the StyleCraft, or I mean the XErgos, or you're ordering the one for your shaver, make sure you use my discount code Cuts by Reggie. Cuts by Reggie will save you 10%. on anything from StyleCraft, anything from Gamma. All right. If you're looking for a clipper to try out, I don't know the for sure price. If I know it by the time I release the video, I'll put it here. And if I don't know, there will be nothing here, which will look stupid because there's nothing here. Or maybe there is. As of now, I don't know the price. But if I do know, by the time I release the video, I'll let you know. Like I said, I'll leave the link down to all there where you can follow them and all that good stuff down in the description. This has been Cuts by Reggie. An even more rambling video of a new clipper, Mythic from StyleCraft. Cuts by Reggie discount code. Follow them on Instagram. Make sure you stay updated to when the new items are dropping. Yeah. And I'll be back when I get more products. And I will be dropping more tutorials. I'm just not good at the angling. I don't have, anyway. We'll be back real soon.